Hello! Today I'm going to teach you how to access your Reading Street daily lesson plans, save them as a Word document, and then upload them to Google Docs in case you want them on Google Docs. So you'll go to Reading Street. You'll sign in as a teacher. We will go to the Pearson Realize portal. Here you will select your program, whichever grade levels you have components to. I'm going to select Common Reading Street Level 2. I'll click on my Unit 1 Exploration. I'll go down to the week level. And then at the daily level, you click on Teacher Resources and select Customizable Lesson Plan. And then you will download it. You can open it up. You'll go back. I selected cancel because if I go any further with that, it'll ask me for permissions that I don't have. You'll go back to your lesson plans on the website. You'll hit exit. You'll push the day 1 button, the back arrow next to the day 1 button. You'll go to day 2. Select the lesson plan. I like to have all of my week's lesson plans in one spot rather than 5 lesson plans for the Twin Club. I'm going to download them all at once. So I have day 2 now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Control A to highlight all of the information. Then I'm going to hit Control X to cut it. I'm going to open up my other lesson plan for day 1 and I will scroll to the bottom. Make a new page by hitting enter. At the top of the new page, I'm going to hit Control V. Then I'll make a new page real quick. I can double check this that I have day 2 in here. Got day 2 and day 1 was up there. Going to exit out of my day 2 plan now because there's nothing there. I don't want to save it yet. Then I'm going to exit, go back to the week level, scroll down to day 3, select Customizable Lesson Plan in the Teacher Resources, download, open it up, Control A, Control X, and I can exit out here because I know it's cut. Control V, paste, and I go back here. So now I want to get my day 4 plan, so I will click exit. Next to the day 3, I'm going to hit the back arrow. Then I will scroll down so I can see day 4. I will select day 4. Here is my teacher resources. I see my customizable lesson plan, day 4 there. I will download it. Here it says the Twin Club, day 4. Control A selects everything. Control X cuts it. Then I will hit Control V. Now on to day 5. Exit day 4. Go back from day 4 to the week level. Scroll down to day 5. Select Customizable Lesson Plan, day 5. Download it. Open it up. Control A selects it all. Control X cuts it. I'll exit out. I don't want to save it. And then Control V pastes it. From here, now that I have all 5 of my lesson plans for the week, for the story, The Twin Club, I'm going to hit File, Save As. Now, you can save it into a specific spot on your computer. So if I wanted to save it in a specific spot on my computer, I'd click Computer. If you save it in your downloads, you need to remember that these are cleaned out at the end of every year. So I will select my second grade folder. I'm going to create a new folder by clicking New Folder that is labeled, right click it, rename Reading Street. This was my Unit 1. I'm going to add a new folder that says Unit 1. And in here, what I've found is that most of us like to refer to our units by our weeks by the story. So this says the story was The Twin Club. I like to save them by week, so I'm going to put week 1 next to it. I'll save it here. Oh, it doesn't have enough quota to process that, so I will just save it in my downloads because I know it will. I'll click Save because I'm going to show you real quick in case you don't want to keep it in on your computer and you want to access it on another place. You'll go to your Google Drive, drive.google.com. Again, I like to have everything in a nice folder. So I have my first and second grade file here. I have a curriculum folder. I have a Reading Street folder. And this is all of my first grade materials. So I'm going to make a new folder that's titled Second Grade. I'll create that folder. In here, I'll make my Unit 1 folder. And then from here, I'm going to go into my Unit 1. I'm going to click New, but this time I'm going to hit File Upload. And I'm in my downloads. If I wasn't sure how to find it, if I started typing in the twin, see how it pulled it up for me. So I'll select that and upload it. And now the Twin Club for week 1 is saved into my Google Docs. And because my Word wasn't letting me save it on my desktop, on my computer. So today you have learned how to access your Reading Street daily lesson plans, download them, save them as a Word document, and then upload them to Google Docs. Thank you.